Heap of boy we see a walk up and now go like them straight man a fuck them or man a suck them cocky. Whole heap of boy. Whole heap of hot boy one who do dream or think of that. Yeah, man a suck them hood and them a fuck body. So there and then let me tell you this. Me not born body man, that one of my work, not a God work and God business. Them and God have to deal with that, And when me a try to say we can't take up jungle justice power head when you come on to them thing there as Jamaica, we forget to mind out of them state of mind there. But me I make you know right now, whole heap of boy out there man. We can't even stereotype and say boy nose ring and them there's something I use that and come to conclusion to man a fuck batika. Guess what? Whole heap of man a do them thing as style. Whole heap of man deep in them style and what they like and what them like. That no means a man a fuck bati. Whole heap of man where you see the whole heap of girl. Remember me tell you, they have some man no care how the girl sweet, no care how the girl nice what they have. They don't really like none of them. They fuck them little bit when they hear from the show, then gone. You know why? They don't really like girl. They don't really like girl. They don't go deal with girl as a upfront cover up to make people think. But a whole heap of them girl is so want to see out the road man a batty man. So they and then on the cave to a judge certain man because who not judge more time and even them a fish. Who no not judge or who no don't know about. Whole heap of them, whole heap of boy me a tell you about. Man a suck them hood. You know hear me tell you whole heap of hot boy with whole heap of girl. Some boy some sweet boy. Me say they not stick around with no girl. A girl a hunger sham because the end of the day a boy they like. But then can't come clean and see a boy they like. So they hunger use woman as upfront and for cover for make it look like a summer uno a go down. And next thing again, you see the Rasta boy they were leak with the video and the police them were video him with the prostitute Batman were supposedly I say I'm holding no sucker and all of that. It's the story kind of contrary one way, in my opinion. Well, right now, the most thing when me can say, Rasta, you need to go seek asylum for reach foreign because I one of the easiest way out of Jamaica that right now because with that bus pan you, them all want to kill you. Me no believe in a jungle justice. People feel love, people make them live them life because as me say, whole heap of uno fish and people never know so uno fish. Uno go like uno straight and a fuck girl. No for uno sweet, me tell me know some of uno business, No for uno because me study them thing and analyze what me see really a go on. Remember me tell you, Rasta your argument do straight. Anybody who watch a video, who listen it, as me I say, me no want them kill me, no go and go seek asylum for reach foreign. And if me wrong, and I lie them, I tell Payo, them police boy, they are so wicked set a boy on a ramp rough because I left people for kill him now. And that don't really do. But when me listen to what go on, when me see with me 2 years and then me listen, me don't know if all I want to go on YouTube and go listen for the voice note where the rest of man send as film version of what happened. And one thing me know, he must say like say, alright, the police them all gun pan him in the background and I say comply or them I go shoot him. So me understand that handcuff the pan you so you have to relax and make them do it instead them I do. Them send for the 2 batty boy them. The batty man for come do him I do and you have to hold out because you don't really want dead. But one thing me know, me thinking of myself, if you is a straight man and then hold the camera pan you one time you say boy, not no gwan. I don't think that would have been your reaction. Me no think that would have be a reaction. And the next thing again, a ras for condom go all the way up on a man dead hood. You understand? And the boots they all the way to the top of your cock. So me no know. Impossible still out. Me say it hard. If a police they really do that on a ramp rough, a serious thing on do to the man if I saw but Rasta, me no like your reaction because even if them a hold a gun for you and the man a do him a do, your face reaction should make we can sit and know say boy, I lie them boy. Tell but to, oh yeah go on like a catch you true. Even at the voice note when me I listen to you, if this did really happen to you, you'd sound like a bit more angrier than all your sound. So me I tell yourself you're innocent right now, you kind of make your own self look guilty. But seek asylum and run from down a yard because nothing else to if you do a set you for dead. So with that, either way if it no go so, me feel bad to you. But a whole heap of boy you go like them straight and man a suck them cat man. Whole heap of them young, nice, pretty, sweetie, boy, yeah, they not straight. And me if you tell them man I suck them cap. The reason all Batman too, so remember say, me know what time it is, how really I go on, I go down, remember that.